Google Man is the first agentic app we created on our platform Yarn. We gave it the power to browse the web to get you the answers for all your questions. Now, let's create an agentic app from scratch. Let's create a personalized tutor. Remember, you can think of each node in the storyboard as an agent. In our case, we will have three agents: the examiner, the grader, and the teacher. The examiner will create an exam for you to take, which the grader will grade and provide feedback. And based on the feedback, the teacher will create a study guide for you. The user starts their experience with the examiner. The goal of the examiner is to generate five multiple choice questions. In order to do that, the examiner requires questionnaire generative UI. This can generate any sort of dynamic input form. And from this interaction, the examiner extracts the user's answers and then passes that to the grader. Now the grader knows the user's answers, and its goal is to generate a grade report as well as offer the feedback that they should what on the topic they should concentrate on. And then we extract the feedback from the grader and pass that along to the teacher. The teacher now knows both the user answers as well as the feedback. The teacher's goal is to essentially create a study guide focusing on the topic that the user missed the most. We have given the teacher the power to do Google text search as well as get YouTube transcript for any YouTube video. You could provide more power to your teacher by adding a tool. You can use the tools that we already have provided or create your own custom API and integrate it. Now, let's compile the code and run it. Let's take the exam generated by the examiner. I'm going to get one question wrong on purpose, the judicial branch question. Once I click submit, the exam goes to the grader who grades it. The grader then gives me the grade report as well as the feedback on what I should work on. The feedback then goes to the teacher who generates a study guide for me. This study guide is customized for me. That's why there is so much focus on judicial branch because I missed the question on it. And I suck at judicial branch. It also recommended a couple of videos to watch. The recommended video is about 6 minutes long, which I don't want to watch. So I asked for the main points of the video and it fetched the transcript and gave me the main points. I can ask it any questions from now on to get help.